Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Past Question 36. Which of the following is the difference between an electrolytic cell X and electrochemical cell Y? A. Anode in X, which is the electrolytic cell, is negative while anode in Y is positive. B. In X, oxidation takes place at the anode, while in Y, reduction takes place at the anode. C. In X, anode is positive while in Y, anode is negative. And D. In X, chemical energy is converted to electrical energy, while in Y, electrical energy is converted to chemical energy. Now we are asked for the difference between electrolytic cell and an electrochemical cell. Now an electrolytic cell converts, that's for X converts, electrolytic cell converts electrical energy, it converts electrical energy into chemical energy. That's for the electrolytic cell. But for the Y, which is the electrochemical cell, it converts chemical energy, like the battery, it converts chemical energy into electrical energy. For example, the dry cell, the battery that we have. Now both electrolytic cells and electrochemical cells has what we call the anode and the cathode. They have what we call the anode and cathode. Now for the electrolytic cell, the anode is positive, so for X, the anode is positively charged. Then for Y now, which is the electrochemical cell, the anode is negative. Anode is negative for Y. Also for the cathode, in X the cathode is negative, but in Y the cathode is positive. But oxidation takes place in both anodes, that is, oxidation takes place at the anode of X, which is positively charged, and also at the anode of Y, which is negatively charged. Now let's go back to the question. The question is asking us for the difference between these two types of cells. Now the answer to this question is option C, which says in X anode is positive, just like I have said, while in Y the anode is negative. So that is the answer to the question. Option D is wrong because in X, which is an electrolytic cell, it converts electrical energy to chemical energy and not chemical energy to electrical energy. So that's made it wrong already. So the right answer to this question is option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.